Hello everybody, Ms Harriete here and welcome to Story Time. We have a great book to read now called There's No Place Like Space, and it's all about our solar system. So let's begin. There's no place like space. I'm the cat in the hat and we are off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars and the sun. There is no place like space, I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Jump in, here we go. We will fly up so high we can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars, and in case you have missed them, you'll soon see the planets in our solar system. There are 8 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. Mercury is close to the sun's burning light. It is hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. On Venus, the weather is always the same, hot, dry and windy with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here is a clue. It is my home and home to thing 1 and thing 2. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It is third from the sun. It is our planet Earth. It spins all the time, round and round like a top. It turns once every day and it never will stop. The question had thing 1 and thing 2 in a tizzy. If Earth's always spinning, why don't we feel dizzy? We don't feel dizzy, we don't feel the Earth as it spins on its way, 'cause we are spinning right with it, right now, every day. Next here is Mars. It's the colour of rust. We sneeze here because it is covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find it is bigger than all other planets combined. Saturn has rings, it's so light, who would think it could float in an ocean and not even sink? A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of these objects around it. There are colours in space. I will show some to you. Neptune, planet 8, is beautiful and blue. We have seen all the planets. Now here is a trick to remember their names and remember them quick. So we have Mallory, Mercury, Valerie, Venus, Emily, Earth, Mickles, Mars, Just, Jupiter, Saved, Saturn, Up, Uranus, 999, Neptune, Nichols. So, Mallory, Valerie, Emily, Mickles, Just, Saved, Up, 999 Nichols. The first letter of each of these words is the same as the first letter in each of the planets. Now here is a game you can play in the skies. Connect all the stars. You will see with your eyes. So there's a great dog and an Orion. It's the star dot to dot. Use your imagination and you'll see big pictures we call constellations. So we've got a great dog, an Orion, the bull and a lion. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really big. It's really a big glowing ball and it's hot. And there's one star by far. And there's one star by far that's our favourite one. We can't live without it. The star called the sun. From the Earth it looks big. There is one reason why. It's the closest to Earth of the stars in the sky. But be careful and never look right at the sun. Your eyes would get hurt and that would not be fun. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute 1,000,000 of our Earths could fit right in it. Oh, look at the time, we must go very soon, but first we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a mirror, it reflects the sun's light. Here's the moon. Astronauts flew to the moon to explore a place no one had ever been before. They walked on the moon and then drove all over in a special moon car called a lunar rover. Here's the lunar rover. Cool, eh? The universe is a mysterious place. We are just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go. Fly back up to the stars and take things 1 and 2 out to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover and it might... But there's lots to discover, and it might be you who looks up in the sky and finds something new. Ah, well, look at that. I hope you enjoyed today's book, all about space, The Cat in the Hat and his adventures. What was your favourite part? I enjoyed that part too, learning all about the different planets in our solar system and what makes them each so unique. Thank you all for watching and I will be back soon. Bye!